Hi, Assalamualaikum. How are you today? Okay, me teacher Yusra, and today I will teach you a new topic. Before that, I want to ask you, do you still remember that we have learned before? Okay, some of you, yes, very good. Some of you, not, maybe. But now I want to remind you, please do revision that we have learned before. We have learned about types of teeth, the function of teeth, and also the difference between milk teeth and also permanent teeth. If you not remember, please do revision start from today. So today I will going to teach you a new topic that is under topic animal. So in this topic, what will you going to learn is eating habits of animal. What does it mean? Okay, it means what animal eat. You can see from my slide, there are koala bear, there are frog, and also there are squirrel. And these animals eat different types of food. You can see here, koala bear eat what? Koala bear eat leaf from the plant. Frog eat what? Frog eat flies. That is animal. And squirrel, what squirrel eat? So after this, I will explain more to you. So listen carefully for the next slide. Okay, at the end of this topic, you will know how to classify the animal according to their eating habits. Next, you also can explain with example the eating habits of herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. So after this, I will going to explain more what is herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Okay, remember what is herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Okay, observe the animal below. What they eat. For example, here panda. What panda eats? What deer eat? What bear eat? So why this animal eat? Okay, remember, animals or all living things need to eat to grow and stay alive. So they eat to get energy so that they can move around and also they can work. So remember, they need to eat to gain energy. So food is very important to remain ourselves healthy. Similar to animals, they also need to eat to remain healthy and have energy. So animals can obtain their food from their surrounding. So remember that different animals eat different kind of food. Animals eat different types of food. So this is very important for you to understand that animals eating habit can be divided into three. First is animal that eat plant only, what we call also herbivore. Animal that eat plants only, or we call herbivore. Second types is animal that eats animal only, or we call carnivore. Animals that eat animals only, or we call carnivore. And third is animals that eat plants and animals. That's what we call omnivore. I repeat, animals that eat plant and also animals. So this animal eat both. So we call it omnivore. From this slide, you can see that example of animals that eat plant only is goat and also rabbit. Okay, second types of animal is carnivore. Okay, animal that eats animal only. Example is tiger and eagle. And the types 3 animals that eat plant and animal. Example here monkey and chicken. Okay, in this slide you will see a few examples of some animals that eat plant only. Okay, they are called plant eater or herbivore. Okay, example here is goat, horse, and zebra. Okay, some animals are animal eaters or we call carnivore. They only eat other animals. Okay, for example here we can see tiger, owls, and also eagle. Okay, this slide will show you another types of eating habit that some animals eat both. They eat plants and also others animal. So they are called plant and animal eaters, or we call it omnivores. So example in this slide is bear, squirrel, and also chicken. So these types of animal, they eat both animals and also plant. We as human also is category omnivore because we eat both. We eat animal and we also eat plants, which is fruit and also vegetable. Now, do you remember what is herbivore? Okay, some of you, yes, very good. So herbivore eats plant only. So I will show you a few examples here. Zebra, elephant, rabbit, cow, and also giraffe. They are herbivore. They only eat plants. For example, here you can see elephant. They eat plant. Okay, remember carnivores eat animals only. You can see a few examples. Animals that eat animals only. Here is fox, wolf, lion, and also shark. Remember, carnivore is animal that eats animal only. Lastly, omnivore. Remember, omnivore eats plant and animals. Example is people. As a human, we eat both. We eat plants and also we eat animal. Another example is bear, pigs, and hen or chicken. At the end of this lesson, can you classify the animal according to their eating habit? Can you remember what is herbivore? And can you give me an example? Next, what is carnivore? Can you give me an example? And lastly, can you remember what is omnivore? And give me an example. Okay, very good and congratulations. All of you have learned about herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Hopefully, you can remember these three types of eating habits of animals. And remember the example for herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. So after you look at to this slide, I hope you can answer my question in quizzes. Okay, remember herbivore, animals that eat plant only, and carnivore is animals that eat animals only. Omnivore eat both plants and also animals. I hope you can understand my slide and I will share with you a video so you can more understand and you can get more example. That's all from me. Thank you from now. Assalamualaikum.